this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, oh my goodness. So many mixed emotions for me right now. I was so excited to film this video, guys. To be honest, this is the 7th try that I'm trying to film this video now, and the result that you're gonna get is totally not what I planned on doing. So as the title suggests, I'm still busy with my weight loss journey. If you are regular on my channel, you know that about 4 videos ago I posted the progress I've made and the weight that I've lost since I had my second child, which was 7 weeks ago now. This week on Tuesday it was 7 weeks ago that I had the baby. And oh my goodness, guys, I lost a good amount of weight, and obviously I had my checkup, 6-week checkup after the surgery, and gynae's happy, says all is well. And I was planning on filming myself starting with exercises, and I've teamed up with an awesome fitness YouTuber. Her name is Christiana. Her channel is Tanwa Stanley. I will leave her channel details in the description box below. And guys, she's got this awesome routine that I was wanting to try. She actually advised me on this one of her exercise routines, and when I watched the video I loved it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna film myself doing this. Guys, oh lord, I tried like 2-3 times the filming, but it was so horrible. When I look back, looking at myself, I was struggling, guys. I'm so unfit. So I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of months ago I posted a vlog that I'd made of a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. In the beginning of this year still, I was like avid gymming and I was doing so well, and obviously I fell pregnant with my son, and I stopped gymming when I was like, I don't know, basically 3 months or something pregnant. So I have not exercised in the last 7-8 months, which is crazy, and I'm so unfit. It's actually embarrassing, guys, when I look back on the footage. It's horrible. I was struggling, perspirating, I was huffing and puffing, let alone the girls were jumping around everywhere. It was really just so embarrassing. I was like, there's no way I can film that and put that out on my channel and still be recommending the person who gave me the fitness routine, because she's amazing. And if you want to know find a fitness routine that works for you, please check out their channel, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could work for you. And I'm definitely going to continue with that particular routine for now to start, and I just won't be filming it. That's the sad part, guys, and it's actually embarrassing because I wanted to take you guys on this journey with me. So I'm literally just filming now to be a plug and to tell you guys about her channel so that you can check it out, because I've done the exercise. I promise, guys, I've done it, but it's so bad, so bad to see me do it. I'm like, no, I'm not ready. As soon as I feel more confident in and I'm even able to do the moves, because I was literally struggling. I did finish eventually, and obviously with the kids disrupting in between, you know how it goes. Yeah, if you're regular on my channel, it's kind of different since I have 2 kids now. But honestly, guys, I'm really excited, and I hope that you can join me on this journey. So check out her channel, get a routine that works for you, and I will keep you guys updated on my progress. And as soon as I get strong, I will definitely film a video of myself doing some exercises. But like I said, I don't feel confident about it, and the footage that I saw was so bad. I don't know, I can't embarrass my family and friends putting out that video. It was really bad, guys. So as soon as I get strong, I will definitely post a video. And thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you check out the channel and that you do at least get a plug out of watching this video. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video.